Think you know animals? Let's blast through 100 wild ones in just 60 seconds. Lion, king of the jungle. Elephant, has a memory that never forgets. Panda, eats bamboo 12 hours a day. Shark, can smell blood from miles away. Penguin, birds that can't fly but love to swim. Zebra, no two stripe patterns are the same. Fox, masters of stealth and survival. Snake, can sense heat through its tongue. Gorilla, gentle giants of the jungle. Giraffe, neck over 6 feet long. That's just a taste. Want more animal action? Tap the link in bio to watch all 100 animals. It's wild.